What up, guys? I'm with my pops right here. We down in Escondido. We got some cables to terminate. I'll show you guys right now. So right here, we got some data cables we were pulling, some Cat 6. Here's all the cables. They still have more to pull, but I'm just helping them out so we can get ahead of schedule. So we got to get it terminated on this IDF rack right here, and I'll show you guys the process. Let's do it. All right, there you go. Nothing crazy. Guys, it's not that hard. Just have a game plan, take your time. It doesn't have to look good, but if you can, why not? Probably takes the same amount of time. Trust me. All right, guys, that's it for today. Got me a little Celsius and some water. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. See you later.